Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the United Airlines app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, either create a new account or log in using your existing mileage plus number and password. The home screen provides a personalized overview, showing your upcoming trips and offering quick links to check-in, flight status, and booking new travel. It's designed for intuitive navigation right from the start. Managing your bookings is incredibly simple within the app. Navigate to My Trips to see all your upcoming flights. From there, you can easily change your seat assignment, perhaps moving from an aisle to a window or even upgrade to a premium cabin. You can also add travel extras like checked bags, often at a slightly reduced rate compared to the airport, or purchase Wi-Fi access for your flight, all with just a few taps. On your day of travel, the United app becomes your essential companion. You can check in for your flight up to 24 hours in advance and receive a mobile boarding pass directly on your phone, saving you time at the airport. The app provides real-time updates on flight status, including any gate changes or delays, ensuring you're always informed. You can also find detailed airport maps and locate United Club lounges, making your journey smoother. Beyond managing existing trips, the United app allows you to explore and book new travel, including flights, hotels, and rental cars, all in one place. Keep a close eye on your Mileage Plus account, tracking your award miles and Premier qualifying points, ensuring you never miss out on earning rewards. The app also delivers personalized offers and travel recommendations tailored to your preferences, helping you discover new destinations and maximize your travel benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.